Hello guys, how are you? Today I will told you about shortcut keys in Microsoft Excel. There are many keys in Excel. Control plus B. Control plus B is equal to bold any text. When I will select Control plus B. Control B. And now I will use Control I for italic text. Control press I is equal to italic. Control plus U is equal to underline. And Control F is equal to find any text. Control F. Control H is equal to replace. When you want to replace one text with other text, then you should press Control plus H. Control G is for go to command. Control plus G is equal to go to. Control plus N for create new sheet. Control N. We have a new workbook. You can create new workbook through Control N. Now I will write all keys. Now, now you can see that all shortcut keys and their function. Control plus B is equal to bold, control plus I is equal to italic, control plus H for replace, control plus F for find, control plus G for go to, control plus N for new workbook. Okay, next video will meet you. Thank you for watching.